I know that you're worried, 'cause I'm far from your side. But darling, don't worry, 'cause I'll be alright. 그 보드여 건요시야 vì 그녀는 널가 대시 걷어산다 그의 여돌아.
Here's to my family, I gotta go and chase my grind, 'cause I'll be going out of state, but don't you worry, ma. And I ain't going by myself, I got some homies with me. We bout to do some shows, look on the net and you'll see. Ever since I was a kid, you saw me chasing my dreams. Always follow my heart, that's what you taught me to believe. Yet you worry too much, but that's the way that you are. But don't you worry, Father's watching over me from afar. I'll always keep His presence close to me, deep in my heart. Even though He's not there physically, He's always watching over me. Even when I'm on the stage performing how I'm supposed to be. Giờ thì chỉ nói với nhau là nữ chỉ kia phải chạy tới dùng. Cô chỉ có ba sai nè có nữ nó cả tên nữ nhỏ rong. My flight ain't even start but I already missed my town. And when I reach my destination, it's going down. Here's to my boys back in town, let's do another round. Better have some drinks ready when I'm back from the States. Matter of fact, I'll use this money here to get all the case. It never matters what I'm doing, yo, I'm always the same. Came up from the bottom, doing me, so I'm never gonna change. I got love for my people in my city, if you understand. 'Cause it's my city and my fan that made me who I am. Nothing's better than to be back home. It's only been a few days, but it feels so long.
I know that you're worried, 'cause I'm far from your side. But darling, don't worry, 'cause I'll be alright. 그 보드여 건요시야 vì 그녀는 널가 대시 걷어산다 그의 여돌아.
It's still my family, I gotta go and chase my dreams. Gotta get my paper right so we can live stress free. Don't worry about me when I'm on the road, I'll be alright. Just wanna let you know that you'll be on my mind all day and night. Ain't nothing like the feeling of coming home from a long trip. My kids at the window waiting for me, letting me know that I've been missed. Pull up in the driveway, can't wait to give my wife a kiss. These are the moments in life that people call priceless. But it's different when it's time to hit the road. Another day, another dollar, another place, another show. Wifey calling, tripping, thinking I'm fucking these hoes. But I'm in it for the dollar, baby, I would never stoop that low. I know you at home holding it down for me, so why would I go fuck around and ruin our family? Look, you know how much I love my kids. My family means more to me than anything I ever did. So please take care, I'll be home soon. Can't wait to be there, can't wait to hold you. Life is just too short for me to sit around and wait. If I keep on grinding, hopefully one day I'll get that break. Before that day to come, I gotta work hard. And working hard means sometimes we gotta be apart. Know that everything I do has a purpose, and I promise at the end all of this will be worth it. I promise.
Every day I say, what a wonderful life it is to be blessed this way. And nothing is the same if I ain't got you by my side. Baby, I'll be home soon. I know that you're worried, 'cause I'm far from your side. Far from your side. But darling, don't worry, 'cause I'll be alright. You never have to worry, no. 어디에 건요시야 vì 그녀는 널가 대시 걷어산다 그의 여돌아.